Okay, now stop tickling and just put your hand on the bars. Just put your hand over and put your hand on the bars. There you go. He says, more, more. Let's see if he's going to go over. Just keep your other hand there and go see if he'll walk over to it. Yes. He's like, more, more. So I tickle my stomach some more. Now just hold on to the bars and don't tickle him. Like you're doing with this hand. I'll just put your hand over here and close your finger. Like that. There. Picasso says, I had enough. You had enough. Say, I'm the most patient bird in the world.